Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a slime video with my tacky glue slime. So yeah, I know what you're thinking, tacky glue makes slime. It does, so I have a pink one here, tacky glue slime. If you want a tutorial, I'll do one. Here's the pink one. Here is the purple one, tacky glue. And then the first one I made, this white one. So the order I made them in is the white one, the purple one, and lastly, the pink one. I think the pink one's my favorite. I don't know why, it just is. So let's get started. So first I'm going to play with my white slime, which always feels wet when I take it out of the bag, but it's, yeah. So here's the slime. It's not sticky when you play with it a lot, but if you just sit in your hand for a long time, it will start to stick. Well, not that long, but And it's a really good stretch. It's also a good poke. Sorry I have a band-aid because I kind of accidentally shoved a nail in my hand and my finger, so yeah. So this is like a really good slime. I probably will do a tutorial. I'm hoping to do a tutorial. So you guys can make it in. At first it looked like it's not very good, but then you just have to let it sit and play with your other slimes, and if you have any other slimes, or just let it sit while you do something else. And then you come back to it, start stirring it some more, and then play with it. And yeah. So time for our next slime. So next slime I'm doing is my purple slime. So you can see it has these like bubbles in it. So yeah. I think the next color I want to do is it's gonna be blue because I haven't made a blue one yet, and I'm gonna see this works because every time I make blue slime, it's always a fail for some reason. Not always, but always is a very strong word, but a lot. So I've had to throw like 10 of my slimes because they were too liquidy because they were blue. Like the dye would get on your hands. So yeah, this is sticky right now because it's sticking to the bag. But it's not really that sticky when you make it, unless you're taking it out of its bag, which it's sticking to. This is so annoying. It's my worst, not like a pet peeve of mine, but I just hate it. How the slime sticks to the bag and it can't get it out. It's just really annoying. So yeah. My parents are not home right now because they're Christmas tree shopping. Because, guys, Thanksgiving is this coming Thursday. And, yeah, I'm so excited. Today's Saturday. And Thanksgiving's this coming Thursday. I'm excited. Because we have school on Monday and Tuesday. But we don't have school on Wednesday, so that's awesome. So really, I don't even get why we're going back. We're going back for 2 days. What the heck, people? I don't even like schools. I never like school. I know lots of people are like, I don't think many people like school. I don't really know anyone who likes school. Well, there was this one girl at my old school who cried when it was Christmas break. And then and if she cried over Christmas break, she cried over any break we had. And she cried since it was summer. I'm like, how are you crying? I'd be like, I'm like, party and party. I don't get how people cry over that. This slime is so stretchy. I love it. I'm not going to play with these slimes that long because I just want to get it over so I can just show you what they look like, how they work, and they feel so cool. It's not like normal slime feeling. It's kind of like fluffy slime. It's fluffy slime pretty much, and I love it so much. So that was the purple one. Time for my fave, my babe, my fave babe is the pink tacky glue slime. I know my handwriting is horrible. I hate it. That's actually not my real handwriting. That's my, like, just handwriting. I'm like, I should get this over with. So, not really my handwriting. Like, none of my handwriting looks like that. My handwriting is horrible. I hate my handwriting, but that's not my real handwriting. Like, I can make my handwriting really good, but I can also make it really bad like I did on this thing. Come on. Come here, pink one. Oh, normally my pink slimes are really good. So this one's, or if they're white because they have no food coloring. Like, yeah. Taking it out of the bag will always stick to your hands, so yeah. It's a good poke. Oh, you see my K, my iPad mini thing. I like squeeze this in my hand all day. I always squeeze this in my hand. This is like my favorite. I'm like loving it. Because I think it's the one I made the most of. So I will make a big batch for my next slime though. In this slime video. But you don't have to make much. So yeah. If I don't make that other video, I'm sorry. I could play with this forever, but the video is at 6 minutes already, and I want to make that video, so let's do an overview of the slimes. Let's start with the first one. Start with the next one. Now the next one. Oh, my favorite. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye!